one more API here and connected that to this one. And if I go to code snippet and select that one, see, it's showing so many data and details saying that parameters we can pass where. See, parameters. Now in the option, we are passing parameters. Okay. So these parameters, when we pass the data to the backend using URL. So you know, right? Sometimes we type a API, and after that we pass our name of that API, and then we pass some queries like question mark and then page and then some details. Right? Anyone try this ever like this? So this is called parameters. This page is a parameter which I'm passing through URL. But we are not passing anything on the URL, right? We are passing something in the data body. So that's why we are using data. So this data is taking as the request.body. If we pass parameters, that will take something called request.params, something like that. Is it clear, or have anyone any doubt?
Yeah, up to this clear, Roshan, from my side.
It's like Roshan means how we'll get to know where we had to pass params and where we had to pass the data.
Sorry, how you know that you have to pass data or params, right?
Yes.
That depends on you because you are the owner of the script. You can understand how I get the data. See, in URL, we have a limitation of characters. We cannot pass more than, I think, 245 or something like that. So there are some limitations that we have. But in body, there is no limitation. We can pass n number of data in the body. Is it clear why we use body instead of params?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So in the data, we know that request.body.student_name. This is the object we are passing, right? So this request.body is an object. Under that, student name is a key. So let me create a student name here, and we have to pass some data to that. This student name hold up the data. So I'm passing that. And next one, what we have? We have class name. We are passing the class name. And we have to pass the data as well. This class name has the data. And another one is the roll number. Roll number, and we have to pass the roll number. Perfect. Our body is ready, and we are calling the API as well. Now let me active this and reload that. So if I add some name here as test student, class is maybe B, and roll number is 4. And if I click on save, it will trigger an API. But it gives us 500. So some of you get 500, right? Why this 500 error gives? It is saying that cannot read property code of undefined. How it means? Like why? What is the meaning of this? I don't know, right? I didn't use any code in the service. Where is the code that getting undefined? That is the question, right? Now the question comes, how we debug this to get the actual results. So the debugging also simple, not a, you have to run the script here, and catch log will give us the actual result of the error. So if you know, we are passing a body into this temp data API. Any